Why continue to use 10-year-old science when you can have the latest ingredients and technology? Based in years of research and use, our glycolic blend combined with our own Elixir Cure formulation has created revolutionary lasting results. Let Keratin Cure be the key that opens the door of success for your business. Our treatment is a cohesive, smoothing, repairing, and rejuvenating treatment. Keratin Cure's products are not single-minded. They can see the whole picture and provide dramatic results for all hair types. We have created different types of formulations to suit each stylist's needs. You can achieve amazing results and control your treatment. Keratin Cure can be used with any other chemical process as it works to help smooth and repair damage. It can be alternately used with chemical relaxers to reduce damage and achieve better results. So now let our training and certification video open up the world of Keratin Cure for you. In order to set yourself up for success, please make sure you have the proper tools. Our model was an ideal candidate for this treatment. She has naturally very long, thick, curly, and frizzy hair. To achieve optimum performance from your Keratin Cure smoothing treatment, you must first clarify the hair twice. This rids the hair of impurities, styling product buildup, opens up the cuticle, and ensures proper penetration of the smoothing treatment. Make sure to achieve a thick lather and massage hair clean. Rinse thoroughly, as leftover shampoo can hinder your treatment. Repeat this step as 2 clarifying shampoos are required. On virgin hair, please leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Next, you will finger dry the hair with a blow dryer until it's 80% dry. In step 3, neatly section hair into 4 sections. Next, you want to shake the treatment bottle thoroughly. Measure out the treatment either with a scale or measuring cup based on the usage guide provided for you and pour into a bowl. Please note that overusage and underusage is not encouraged. Overusage of this product will result in sticky hair, making it hard to comb and blow dry, which will not give you proper treatment results. Short hair typically starts with 15 ml or a half an ounce. Shoulder length hair typically starts with 30 ml or 1 ounce, and long hair should typically be 60 ml or 2 ounces. Please pour the product accordingly based on hair type and porosity. Use your professional judgment as overusage and underusage is not encouraged. Step 5 is applying our treatment. When applying our treatment, apply treatment evenly, staying 1/4 inch to 1/2 centimeter away from the scalp. We don't ever recommend using the product directly on the scalp. Use a color application brush to dust the smoothing treatment onto the hair, making sure not to oversaturate. After you have applied the treatment onto the hair, you will pull the treatment through each section of hair using a fine-tooth comb. We recommend pulling down and marrying your next section of hair before applying more treatment. This ensures proper saturation without overusage. You will repeat this until you have fully covered and saturated the whole head. Please note that though the treatment should not be put directly on the scalp, it should thoroughly cover the roots. Allow the treatment to absorb 20 minutes for normal hair, 30 minutes for wavy hair, and up to 50 minutes for curly, textured, or thick hair. We are now ready to blow dry hair. Section the hair into 4 sections. Using your blow dryer and vent brush, starting in the back, start drying hair until it is 100% dry. Please note that hair should be 100% dry before moving to the next step, which is flat ironing. We are now ready to flat iron. Section hair into 4 sections, taking 1/8 inch subsections, and adding a few drops of our Keratin Cure serum. Follow the flat iron and temperature guide provided for you. Thin fine hair, 380 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 9 passes. Normal hair, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 9 passes. Thick curly textured hair, 420 degrees Fahrenheit with 7 to 10 passes. Damaged high lift hair, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 9 passes. Please use professional judgment when working with high lift or damaged hair, as excessive heat can cause further damage. After flat ironing is done, rinse hair thoroughly with water and apply deep mask for 5 minutes. Rinse mask thoroughly. You will finger dry the hair and you have now finalized the treatment. We would like you to know that due to the glycolic nature of our product, you may have some color shifting in the hair. This results in a lighter tone and mostly affects red and dark shades. If color shifts, you can immediately use toner, demi-permanent, or semi-permanent color right after treatment. Please take note that all her after shots and photos are taken when her treatment was washed out and her hair is finger dried. Please notice the amazing curl and frizz reduction that our product can create.